crunchy and scrumptious. This is the ultimate oatmeal cookie recipe you will ever need. In a bowl, cream the butter and sugar until the both are fluffy and well incorporated. Now add the milk and honey and cream again until the mixture is liquid. Now add the flour mixture, which includes baking soda, cinnamon powder and nutmeg. Mix it all up until it forms a batter. Then add the oats and mix again. Finally, add the raisins, give it a slight mix and keep the bowl aside. On a lined parchment sheet, using a 1 tablespoon measurement, take a part of the cookie dough and place it on the sheet. Bake it in the oven for 15 to 18 minutes. As you can see, this is super crunchy as well as soft center. Like always, all our recipes will be there on our website. And if you do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Happy cooking!